Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kankana's Health Forum, and today I am here with you to talk about how you can care for a hypertensive patient in our home. So hypertensive means high blood pressure. It is a long-term medical condition in which blood pressure in the artery is persistently elevated. Having hypertension significantly raises the risk of having a heart attack, stroke, heart disease and kidney disease. So to diagnose hypertension, you need to go for a 2 or 3 visit to your consultant or doctor, and you can also visit them once in a month so that you can diagnose you are hypertensive or not. The diagnosis might met on a single visit if they will get your BP more than 180 by 110 mmHg. According to International Society of Hypertension, raised BP remains the leading cause of death globally, and it's also accounting for 10.4 million deaths per year. Now I am coming to the main point, that what points you have to keep in mind when you are dealing with a hypertensive patient or a high blood pressure patient. So for those kind of patients, what are the tips that you have to remember so that you can take care of them in a proper way? So let's start. So here is a two component that you have to remember. One is a general instruction and the other one is a instruction related to the medication. Under general instruction, the first point that you have to know is what is your normal blood pressure level. So your normal blood pressure level will be less than 120 by less than 180 mmHg, and if your blood pressure level is more than and equal to 140 mmHg by more than and equal to 90 mmHg, then you will be called as a hypertensive. Second thing that we have to know is that hypertension is mainly asymptomatic. So there are no such symptoms that we can see that it will indicate the BP level, whether it is high or whether it is low. That's why follow-up is very important in this case. So you can also go once in a month to consult your doctor according to your blood pressure level. Third, many of you have the misconception that hypertension means hyperpersonality, but it's not like that. Hypertension means high blood pressure, so you should know that. So now we are coming to the number 4 point, that is therapies. Therapies are very important to treat hypertension. Therapies involve weight management, sodium reduction, smoking cessation, lifestyle changes, and in most cases medications. And fifthly, you have to remember that therapies will not cure, but it will control hypertension, and if you can control hypertension, then it can lead to a very good prognosis and the person can also live a normal lifestyle. Under general instruction, lastly, I want to say that if you are unable to control your BP, it might raise the risk of having stroke, heart disease, kidney disease or heart attack. So now we are coming to the second component, that is instruction related to the medication. Firstly, you have to remember that you have to maintain a regular and convenient time for taking your medications and measuring your BP. Secondly, the very important thing that you have to know, if you miss any kind of medications of the blood pressure, then don't double up on doses, because it might lead to a complication and it might deteriorate your health condition. Number 3, you have to remember that suppose you have checked your BP and you got your BP higher than your normal level. So don't take the medications in a higher doses because it might lead to a complications. So before taking the medication, you always need to consult with your doctor so that you can maintain your health. Number 4, you have to remember that don't take the medications belonging to someone else. Why you should not exchange the medication? Suppose your friend is also having the same diagnosis like yours. Your friend is also having the hypertension and you have the hypertension. So why you should not exchange the medications? Because their disease conditions might be very different and your disease conditions might be very different than theirs. So you should not exchange the medication. You might be thinking that, oh, we have the same diagnosis, same problem, so we can exchange the medications wherever it's needed. So no, it's not like that. Before taking any medication, you should always consult to your doctor, because it might lead to a harmful effect on your body. And now we are coming to the number 5th point, that is you have to always avoid hot bath, strenuous exercise and excessive amount of alcohol within 3 hours of taking your medication, because which promote vasodilation and it may lower the blood pressure level. So this is the reason behind this. Now I am coming to the last point. Antihypertensive drugs may cause sexual problem. So if this kind of problems arises, then you should consult your healthcare provider about changing drugs and doses if sexual problems develop. And then lastly, you have to remember that side effect of medications used to diminish with time. So you don't have to worry about that. So that we can, you should continue to take your medication so that we can prevent you from further complications. So these are some points that you have to remember if you are hypertensive or any one of your family member is in hypertensive stage. So these are some points that are very important and very short and easy tips to remember. So if you really like my video, kindly like, share and subscribe so that through my video others will also get help. And if you want to suggest any topic, let me know in the comment section below. So till then, thank you so much.